Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will give you some tips on how to use Monday for your own business, which is a very useful platform and it is one of the best CRM platforms in the market. Something else that you should know is Monday offering you a form to use, which can be external or internal. All you have to do if you want to create your own form, you click to this plus, add view. You have to select form and it will open a default form which is linked to the same details you have in bot. Okay? And if you want to customize it, all you have to do is click edit form. Then you can upload your logo, customize the wallpaper, the design, add more questions, more items, depends on your needs. For example, I want to edit the name of the form. Let's say I want to make it ticketing, okay? Here you can describe the bond. Put a small description about what is this form. Now we have name, we have status, we have date, we have file. Let's say I want to add something else. Let's say I want to add, for example, signature. I can add signature here. And I can call it signature. Okay? Let's add something else along to the signature. Let's say we add phone, okay? Let's call it contact phone number. Once you finish your modification, they are automatically saved and applied. All you have to do to access to your form is click publish, copy link, then paste it. And here we have our form. Now we have finished answering the questions we have received about Monday.com. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and share your comments below. And for more business ideas, you can watch any of the other videos. Feel free to share your inquiries related to Monday.com below to answer them in our next video.